Another mistake that I see often in QuickBooks is assuming that QuickBooks is categorizing things correctly. So I've been using QuickBooks for years and years and years for myself and many of my clients. And I would say that 60 to 70% of the time, QuickBooks is correct. But that still leaves 30 to 40% of the time that QuickBooks is wrong. And that happens because maybe you're always ordering office supplies from Amazon. So when Amazon comes in, QuickBooks says, oh, this is office supplies like it always is. But this time you ordered something different off Amazon, maybe a customer closing gift, and it needs to be categorized differently. Or a transaction comes in that QuickBooks isn't really sure where to put it. So it's guessing where it thinks it belongs, but it might be incorrect. So you want to make sure that you are looking at that category, looking at the payee, and then making the appropriate changes. So here we have, let's say, Laura's lamination. This is uncategorized, but maybe QuickBooks would have made a guess that this was supplies, and it put supplies, and that was not the correct guess. So you would need to come in here and you would pick what this was for. Maybe this was for printing, or again, this is a sample business, but let's say it was for printing. And then we would put here, it's for Laura's lamination. So we would put that vendor name right there. And then we would hit add. So don't make the mistake of just assuming that QuickBooks is correct, coming in and hitting add, because you're not going to have the correct transactions in your books if you're not going in and making sure that every categorization is correct. So take the time and don't get tricked into thinking that QuickBooks is making the perfect matches for your business.